Hello guys, I am Manthan Patel. Currently I am working in Astro Infotech, Surat. My designation is team leader in Android department. So currently I want to talk about something for BWalk. BWalk is a good initiative taken by GTU. Why? Because BWalk has some advantages over to bachelor degree. Like first advantage which I can see is uh, it has a less number of years for study than bachelor engineering. Like your full BWalk course completed in 3 years only. Okay. At the same time, BE has a 4 years to complete the degree course. The second advantage that company persons come here to teach what is currently going in companies. Okay, so whatever the latest knowledge students can get from this course, like sometimes we heard that student says that college study is totally different than the practical knowledge in companies. Okay, so that scenario it is totally covered in this course because the company persons come here and teach them what is currently going in company. The third one is that some of you thinking like there is a less number of years so we can't study more in this course. Okay, but it is totally wrong. You will learn more languages than be in practical way. Okay, each year you have a particular language which is covered by company person. Okay, like personally I have taken PHP and HTML language for for 1 year. Like for semester I have taken HTML language, and half semester I have taken PHP language. So I can teach them currently what kind of framework or what kind of language is used in market. So whenever they have completed that study, they can directly go through the company and got selection in that company because they know very well which language is currently going on, and they have all kind of idea like what kind of things currently going in market. Okay, so it is very good platform for students to get practical knowledge as well as theory. In this BWalk course, the practical part as a priority because the practical knowledge is more important than the theoretical. Okay, theoretical is also important, and that is also covered in BWalk course. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my side. So I am considering that BWalk is very good course for any student because they will learn more market things or more relevant languages which is currently going in market. So you should prefer BWalk from my side. Okay, thank you.